Bailey, put it on your head, baby.
Yeah, I know you need a towel.
Uh-oh. Here, let me hold the towel. Let me hold. There you go.
Head, baby, you're gonna get wet.
When I got my grandbaby's rain boots so they could stomp in the rain.
What
You didn't happen to-
dry?
I they have a raincoat.
You didn't happen to bring them with you, did you?
No, I'm sorry.
Oh, Hunter, you're doing a good job holding that over your head. And baby, you're doing good too.
Let me hand you a towel, baby. Hand you a towel. Okay, now hold your umbrella.
Whoa. That's a puddle. Don't step in that. Guess who's going to step in that? Yes. No, don't step in the water.
Wet.
You walk on the sidewalk.
Yeah, it's big water. Go walk on the sidewalk.
Hunter, you're doing good. Whoa, it is wet. God made the rain. Yeah.
Did it? That's a lot of water. Look at me. Look at me. Hey, I see you.
Don't step in the water. It's raining. Look at that. God is watering the grass. And he's watering the plants and the trees. Did you see a bird out here, Hunter?
You get real with it there. There goes Hunter out in the rain. Look out. Whoa, hold it over your head.
Yeah. Good job, Hunter.
That's a lot of water. That's a lot of water there. Here.
Bailey, is it wet? Hold it over your head, Bailey. Hold it over your head.
Hunter, don't go up the steps.
No, we can't go up there.
Afraid you'll fall up there.
Come back in. There you go.
Come on,
Come
baby.
back in. Bailey, come back in. Come back in. Come on. Come on.
You nut. You are a nut.